Hey, I'm Dini Klein, and this is my brand new series called Super Simple. All of my recipes are 10 ingredients or less. We're repurposing leftovers for the following day to come up with a brand new dish. We're doing food in a smart, efficient, but really fun way. It's all super simple. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing cookie out of little odds and ends and random things you have in your kitchen. You are not going to believe how delicious these are. I'm going to show you how we do it. So let's make some crazy kitchen sink cookies. Normally I show you how to make one recipe and then repurpose it the following day into a completely different dish. Today I'm showing you how to take little bits and odds and ends of random ingredients in your house and turn it into the most amazing cookie ever. So let's do it. We're gonna start with some butter because every good cookie starts with a nice slab of butter. And we're gonna cream this together with sugar, all right? So we're starting off kind of like a traditional cookie. Just wait. We're also gonna add some brown sugar, and that's what's gonna make these super chewy, kind of soft cookies. So we're gonna cream this together, and then we'll add the rest of our crazy ingredients. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna add some vanilla extract right here. We're gonna add tahini paste, okay, which is just gonna add some nice richness. If you don't have tahini paste, you can swap this out with some sort of nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter. Any of those work, giving this nice richness by adding that kind of like fat in there, but it's such good flavor. So that's really delicious in there. And we're also gonna add some miso paste because that's what I had in my fridge as well. And we're also gonna add in 1 egg and soy sauce. Okay, if you don't want to add soy sauce, you could totally omit it. You could also add teriyaki sauce. This just adds a really nice, kind of strange boost of flavor, but it just tastes salty at the end of the day. It just has that umami kind of flavor, which I really love. So we're just gonna blend this up and get it nice and creamy. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients to this bowl, and we're gonna mix it together and then pour it into our wet ingredients. So we have a bowl of flour here, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So we're just gonna give this a little mix around here. And to this, I'm just gonna add in our sesame seeds now. If you wanted to omit this, you 100% can, or you could add in sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, whatever you have on hand. This is what I happen to have had that day, so that's what I added in. Plus, because we have that tahini paste, I really like reinforcing certain flavors. So by having some nice toasted sesame seeds, it's such a really nice little combination and a little bite, and it adds great flavor. So we're gonna take our dry ingredients and we're just gonna add it to our bowl. We'll do like 2 batches. Get this mixed around and then we'll add in the rest. All right, and with baking, you wanna do things slowly and in batches so that nothing gets overworked, especially with flour. If you overwork it, you just kind of get a tough cookie. So you wanna add things gradually and slowly. All right, let's give it a mix around. Okay, last but not least, we're going to add our fun little toppings here. And this is really where you can pick and choose whatever you want to put in here. I have pretzels, but pretzels could be salty chips. They could be crackers that you've crushed up. They could be cereal little bits that you have crushed up. Throw those in here. I'm also using some chocolate chips because I love chocolate in everything. But you can totally throw in M&Ms, throw in any kind of chocolate or candy you like there. And some pine nuts, just because I had them from making pesto one time. So I was like, hey, pine nuts. But that could be any kind of nut. It could be a walnut, it could be an almond, it could be anything you like in a cookie. Go crazy with these. These are crazy kitchen sink cookies. So just like go nuts. Mix it around. Let's go. Okay, now I'm smelling that miso. Oh my goodness. So I have a baking sheet right here, and we're just gonna take our batter and just form some cookies. Do these not look insane, guys? All right, I'm gonna go throw these in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. They're gonna be so soft and chewy, but golden on top. I cannot wait. Okay, these look so good. Today I've showed you how to repurpose all kinds of little bits of leftovers into something totally new and delicious. And I love that because then you have 0 waste. You're repurposing and making a completely new dish. So be sure to get creative. take anything you have in your kitchen and make something new and delicious out of it. I hope you guys try these at home, and I hope you love them. Bye, guys.